In this video, we explore a geometric problem involving a circle intersected by two perpendicular lines at the points A, B, and D, such that the distance between the point of intersection of these lines and the point A equals 2 units, and 6 units with a point B, and 3 units with a point D. The goal is to determine the radius of the circle, denoted r. We begin by placing the origin O of a Cartesian coordinate system at the intersection point of the two perpendicular lines, such that the horizontal axis represents the line A to B, and the vertical axis represents the line C to D. We label the center of the circle as point M, whose coordinates are P for the abscissa, which is the horizontal coordinate, and Q for the ordinate, which is the vertical coordinate. Based on the given configuration, the coordinates of points on the circle are: point A has coordinates -2 and 0. Point B has coordinates 6 and 0. Point D has coordinates 0 and -3. Tracing the radius from point A to point M, the segment MA has a first component equal to -2 minus P and a second component equal to 0 minus Q. According to the Pythagorean theorem, the square of the length of segment MA is equal to the quantity -2 minus P to the power of 2 plus minus Q to the power of 2, and this is equal to R to the power of 2. Tracing the radius from point B to point M, the segment MB has a first component equal to 6 minus P and a second component equal to 0 minus Q. The square of the length of segment MB is equal to the quantity 6 minus P to the power of 2 plus the quantity minus Q to the power of 2, and this is equal to R to the power of 2. Subtracting the second equation from the first equation, we obtain the quantity -2 minus P, all to the power of 2, minus the quantity 6 minus P, all to the power of 2 equals 0. Expanding both expressions gives 4 plus 4 times P plus P to the power of 2 minus 36 minus 12 times P plus P to the power of 2 equals 0. Simplifying yields 16 times P minus 32 equals 0. Thus P equals 2. Substituting P equals 2 into either previous equation, we obtain 4 to the power of 2 plus Q to the power of 2 equals R to the power of 2. We call this equation 1. Next, tracing the radius from point D to point M, the segment MD has a first component equal to 0 minus P, which is equal to -2, and a second component equal to -3 minus Q. The square of the length of segment MD is equal to the quantity -2 to the power of 2, plus the quantity -3 minus Q to the power of 2, and this is equal to R to the power of 2. Subtracting this equation from equation 1, we obtain 12 plus Q to the power of 2 minus the quantity -3 minus Q to the power of 2 equals 0. Expanding and simplifying yields 3 minus 6 times Q equal to 0. Thus Q equals 0.5. Substituting Q into equation 1 gives 4 to the power of 2 plus 0.5 to the power of 2 equals R to the power of 2. Therefore, R is equal to the square root of 65 over 2, which approximately equals 4.031. By using the coordinate system, the Pythagorean theorem, and systematic algebraic manipulation, we determined the values of P and Q for the center of the circle and ultimately computed the radius R. This structured geometric approach highlights the power of coordinate geometry in solving spatial problems. If you enjoyed this detailed walkthrough and want to strengthen your geometry skills with more problems like this, make sure to like the video, share it with others who may benefit, and subscribe to the channel. Do not forget to activate the notification bell so you never miss a new lesson. And last thing before you go, if you truly enjoy this kind of educational content and you want to take your own YouTube journey to the next level, I invite you to check out vidIQ using the link in the description. vidIQ is an all-in-one solution designed specifically for YouTube creators. It allows you to schedule and publish posts directly on YouTube, analyze your channel's growth with detailed insights, generate thumbnails, create video scripts, and access a wide variety of other powerful tools all in one place. If you want to support this channel while also boosting your own YouTube performance, getting a subscription to vidIQ is one of the best ways to do it. Just click the link in the description explore what it can do for you, and start improving your content today. Wishing you an excellent learning.